Good morning, students. I am Ms. Republica Borgohain, Assistant Professor, Assam Downtown University, Guwahati, Department of Pharmaceutical Science. So today I will be discussing about the structure of proteins. So structure of proteins, it depends upon the spatial arrangement of polypeptide chains. So three arrangements are possible. Four structures, that is primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, and quaternary structure. Now comes the discussion for the primary structure of proteins. The sequence of amino acids in a polypeptide chain is called as a primary structure of protein. The amino acids that are linked with one another through peptide bonds are termed as primary structure of proteins. So this is the primary structure of protein. So now comes the secondary structure of proteins. In case of secondary structure of proteins, peptide chains may acquire spiral shape or may be present in a zigzag manner. This coiling of peptide chains is called the secondary structure of proteins. It is due to hydrogen bonding. This is the secondary structure, regular substructures. Now, the tertiary structure of proteins. Twisting or folding of polypeptide chains represents tertiary structure of proteins. So, tertiary structure of protein, it is a three-dimensional structure. So, here is the picture here. Now comes the quaternary structure of proteins. Quaternary means four. It is the arrangement of multiple folded protein or coiling protein molecules in a multiple, or we can say multi-subunit complex. A variety of bonding interactions takes place, including hydrogen bonding, salt bridges, and disulfide bonds, holds the various chains into a particular geometry. So this is the quaternary structure, and we can term it as the complex of protein molecules. So now comes the properties of proteins. So they are found in all living organisms and are involved in processes such as digestion of food, cell structure, catalysis, movement, energy manipulation, etc. They are also termed as the complex molecules. They are the polymers of amino acids. So long chains of amino acids are called polypeptides. So what is the importance of proteins? Proteins, they play an important role in the formation of protoplasm. So nuclear proteins are complex proteins and act as the carrier of hereditary materials from one generation to another. So enzymes are the biological catalysts, and they are also proteins. Hemoglobin, it is a protein and it acts as oxygen carrier. Then tanning of hides is actually precipitation of proteins by tannic acid. Then gelatin, it is obtained by heating bones, skins, and tendons in water. It is used in bakery goods. Casein is another protein. It is used in manufacture of buttons and buckles. Proteins obtained from soya bean are used for the manufacture of plastics. Thank you.